Today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on the Truecaller app on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see here, here you have the contacts, your favorites, and the voice HD section. So go to your profile icon up here, and here you will find your profile, so you can complete your profile as you see. So you can add the second number, you can add the birthday, the gender, the city, and click save, or click fill in with Google, and after this you will be it will be changed, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.